Imagine Elon Musk sitting at his desk, ready to tackle a problem that has been called the ultimate brain teaser. Would his genius mind crack it, or is this puzzle just too impossible, even for the man behind Tesla and SpaceX? Let's find out if you can solve it before he does. So here's a challenge that even Elon Musk might need to take a pause for. Picture this, you're designing a rocket and every decision matters down to the smallest calculation. You need to find the value of x in this equation. Puzzle 3 to the power of x plus 1 plus 3 to the power of x is equals to 108. Looks simple at first, right? But wait, it's a little trickier than it looks. Before you grab your calculator, let's break it down step by step and I'll give you a chance to beat Elon's imaginary timer. Take a moment to solve it. Remember the clock's ticking. Comment your answers below if you think you've got it. Don't worry, no rockets will explode if you get it wrong. Elon Musk once said, I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary, and solving problems like this is exactly how you sharpen your skills to take on extraordinary challenges. He is known for using math to optimize rocket fuel efficiency, spacecraft design, and even traffic flow with the Boring Company. Do you think this puzzle could stump him? And so this is our equation 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 108. See, 3 to the power of x plus I leave 3 to the power x as it is, and now I can modify this part as 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. This is a basic rule of indices that I have applied here, and this equals to 108. So the next step, 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 is equals to 108. Now I will take 3 to the power of x common. So 3 to the power of x bracket on 1 plus 3 is equals to 108. So 1 plus 3 is 4, hence 4 multiplied by 3 to the power of x is equals to 108. Now I would shift this 4 onto the right hand side. So here it's going to multiply with 108. 108 divided by 4, hence this equals to 27. It cut out to be 27. 3 to the power of x is now equals to 27. And as we all know, 27 is the cube root of 3. Sorry, is the cube of 3. So 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 cube. Hence, bases are same, so the powers will equate. Hence, x is equals to 3. This is our final answer. So, did you beat Elon Musk to the solution? Let me know in the comments if you solved it faster than I explained it. Share this video with your friends and see if they are faster than the genius behind SpaceX. Who knows, maybe Elon himself will take the challenge on. If you enjoyed this puzzle and want more challenges like this, hit that subscribe button. And remember, even the most impossible problems have solutions if you are willing to think like Elon Musk.